Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Stella B Reality TV. If this is your first time of watching, what are you waiting for? Smash the like button, click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I really do upload a video. Yeah, thank you. As you do that, God will bless you. So guys, we are still on the story, on the topic of our sister who live in Germany, the single mom who said that social have took, as in social collected her son from her. So, and our brother called Umenwa also drop his own, opinion that, I just want you guys to watch the video, okay? Even when I watched it before, I picked some sense from what Umenwa was saying. So watch this video, share, and don't forget to put on the like button. So what Umenwine said, nobody is that perfect, but 50 of wetin Umenwine talk na truth. It might be say this woman all day, not the part of wetin this man talk, but just watch the video. I will be right back. Drop a comment, okay? Drop a comment as you watch. God will bless you. I will be right back.
Married women with the husband house. Married women with the husband house. Mama, we put open a page where married women, not be single mother with the husband house. Me I page you matter. Una matter na the end of this program. Gonna be number 2. First topic now about single mother. Single mother for Germany. That woman will crack come out for video say they collect the first son. Oh God. No, say if person they tell you the truth for this platform, you know they want to listen, you know they want to hear, because why? Why you man, a woman will get 4 children, and you see they say you be single mother. 4 children, you be single mother. Madam, go sleep. If you want to hang yourself, hang yourself. Nobody want to help you. Hang yourself. Pull rope. If you don't get better rope, I get rope. Come borrow my own. Then you hang yourself well. Because if I talk, I said the one who they go so single mother, the one who they go so gradually. When government don't collect picking from the hand, una come crack come out, come the shout, single mother, now come the shout, una need help. When una the chop benefit of the picking, who una cry give? When una the chop children benefit, who una cry come out, come give? Who una share the money give? Which public una share the money give? Which group una share the money give? Which orphanage una share money give? When una chop children benefits. Now, when government don't take your picking, you come and call the shots, say you don't do them anything. Madam, regardless about make I talk to you, because why? Una no one wise. Those land government no they collect picking for person hand. German government no they collect picking for person hand. I tell you now. Una not get sense. Una not one lessons. Full camp for this Germany. Full camp. Full single mother camp. Whereby more than, not less than more than 200 single mother did the camp. For that same Bochum, where the Murphy day. Under Bochum, where the Murphy day. Under that Bochum, where the Murphy day. So I say full camp. What did I save them? Kitchen, where they for the cook. I tell you to do live video here. Kitchen, where they for the cook. You see this round bulb, they're going to put bulb, they're going to put round plates, take over the bulb. They set camera for that kitchen. They set camera for that kitchen. The camera, they monitor exactly where they move for the cook. Whereas the woman don't know, say camera did that bulb. You don't know, say camera they said that place. That they cook for them. The day we enter that kitchen, I come observe the bulb. One thing about me, if you dey Europe, once government give you house, not your own personal house where you rent, government give you house, you don't that do. First thing when you go check the house, as you enter the house, check everywhere, check the bulb. If na real bulb or camera they inside the bulb, or check the switch where you off light. That switch where they off light for work, baka. They put camera for that switch. That switch where they switch light off, switch light on. That switch. They set camera for that switch. Then the socket, close to the socket, where they plug wire put close to the socket. Some socket they will put for up. Like when they want hang laptop, they want hang a plasma. Some socket, those kind of sockets, we be like they want hang plasma. Check them very well. They fix camera for that place. Especially single mother. If they say you be single mother, they do always the position camera give you. Now, when they listen, the reason why they put you for camp, first study you for camp, as soon as they come, they study single mother very well. They will study you if you be the kind of woman with the harsh, the way you communicate with your social, if something happen, your emotion, or they study you. Then the way you handle children, when you dey camp, we want to plenty for the camp. Now social they study our women. They know. They're going to study your attitude towards children when you still did their hand for camp. When everybody, the crowd, you know, they're going to study your familiar. They call the familiar. When we be family, they study una. Una not know. Then when they come see your attitude, they're going to know the kind of house where they want to carry you go. They don't already, before you they come go that house, they don't already arrange that house, wait for you to the study, because they're not going to stay with you for that house again. From camp, social they stay with you 24 hours till night. Then they stay. But once you don't do your living house, you don't get your freedom. Now you don't cook your own food. They don't give you money. They don't open an account for you. Then before they put you for that house, they don't set the house well, wait for you where you will come bring those children. They're going to monitor you if they beat the children. They're going to monitor you when they bath the children. If they bath the children, they're going to monitor the kind of food where they cook for the children. They're going to monitor you. Cameras, they mostly single mother house where they give them a living house. When I go check on a living house where camera, this is where they watch on our children. They watch you now. Una not go know. When I reach that woman camp, first thing as I enter the house, once I enter your house, the first thing when I check on your bulb, I observe. I observe everywhere around. As I observe that bulb for that kitchen, I just stand like this. I look the bulb they on light. I look at the way thing. I tell this one, say, come here, this is your room. He said, my lie. If they follow me, they argue. I switch off the bulb. As I switch and I position my eye, they look that bulb direction. The next thing, the thing blink. You know, just a moment about 5 minutes, blink again. I say, blink 2 times, 3 times. I say, come here, this thing. I call the woman, I say, the breacher come. The breacher come, I climb. I lose that bulb, that big round bulb. Will be like plates. Will be like broken plates. As I lose them, bulb himself, they inside, position like this. The camera, CCTV camera, they inside, position like this. They look straight to the kitchen and the bedroom. You understand? All the kitchen where they that camp around, camera did all the kitchen. We started to look, check each bulb for kitchen. Camera did all of them around. Before they go home, call social, say they don't want camera. See, now their privacy. See, when they call the complaint, when they call complaint, say, if they're naked, because after the kitchen, you will go bedroom. So if they go bedroom, they're naked from their room. So if camera are there, automatically they video their nakedness, which they don't want, and they come up. They say they don't now because of the children. They can't open up to them because the children, the monitor children, the children don't go for oh yeah, in case they cook. So this woman now, they come and knock on the cry, they tell public, say you don't do anything. Government just carry your mature picking. People don't grow up mature. You don't collect them for your hand. Your big boy, you don't collect them for your hand. You don't do anything. See? They deport your husband, go Italy. You don't do anything. Make I tell you one thing for this Dutch man. German respects family past single. They respect family past single. If you be woman, you get husband, you show say this one is your husband. You show the public say this one is my husband. German go respect you. German go want because why? They go want me your husband, they pay tax, make they take responsibility. May your husband is support to the economic of the country. So automatically say you declare, say you are single. You are not single. Then go they happy because now they get you. One single most of them will be single but they don't understand. Una be slave to German. Una be nanny of German. If you don't come and say you get husband and you be single mother, you date Germany, you know they work, especially when you know they work. If you know they work, just sit down for house. Baby mama, just sit down for house. They take care of children. You be German nanny. German fit see say the way they take care of their children. They not, you know they take care of them where they will collect them for your hand because those children belongs to German. The day you claim single mother, your children belongs to German. It belongs to the government. That is the reason why they pay you that 800. If you get to Pikin, they collect 800 and something close to 900. If you get to the Pikin, they collect 1K plus. So no think that money is just free. That money that they pay you because of the service when the range that they give the children. They pay you that money because of you. They take care of those. They pay the money to they take care of those children for them. Then if they study say you know they take care of those children, especially when they get person when they monitor you. You know they satisfy those children according to the money that they give you. Then they want me to spend that money for those children the way they need down. So when they don't find out, say, you know, they spend the money for the children, automatically they expect that they will collect the children for your hand. And as they collect the children for your hand, they hand over and give another person who will take care of the children the way they want and maybe forever and ever. You know, go use your eyes to see the children again. You understand? Single mother, man, sit down and listen. No, not get her now. All of them not buy some for say as month don't end. No, we drop money, no buy some. No, they shop, the fuck. Go carry small boys for camp, put for his ass. Hard them for say blanket. They don't. We don't forget, see, coming at this one where they watch you now. No, they don't. Because why? If the person gonna break on, he don't get brain, he don't go for your zar, he don't know all these things. We don't get lawyer. Some of them don't get lawyer. Who will get lawyer? There are some vital questions where you need to ask your lawyer, maybe for teach you, maybe for learn about the law of German. They ask. Una the benefits we are supposed to get a single mother. Now question when they ask lawyer be that one. Our women. Now question when they ask now how the money, how much when the tickets, money for tickets, where they go to give you now, about how much where they go to give you now every month, how they go to buy ticket for now. No one spend money for anything. Now those questions they ask government. Una forget say una not be real owner of that pikin as far as say you claim single mother. Now government pikin and dey with you. Until you dey work. Once you dey work, you dey contribute to the economic of German. You dey contribute to the economic of the country. Before you go get right over those children well. When it be saying that German they take care of you, they take care of your kids, they pay your house rent, everything about you now, German they in charge. Now they get you and the pikin. I know of one woman when they take 3 good children. The woman now they psych. As we speak now, she they psych. How they take the children? Now camera too. Camera. Now they sit for inside the room. They sit camera for your room. The same way what it just happened to this woman. So when they get person, when they call their assistant. That woman a Ghana woman. Person call their assistant. The assistant. Government give an assistance with the assistant. That's assistance where they assist that woman. So now position camera put for the woman room. The woman no. Every time, the time when the woman they beat the woman, when they beat the children, maybe the children misbehave. Sometimes you didn't knock your children. Your children misbehave, you give her slap or backnash. Camera the video. What the woman be tell the correcting children for inside house. Camera the video. Camera this side the room. The video. Even when the children they go by themselves. You know, get where Peking go reach, you go say, oh yeah, go and off the gas. Go and check what I put in the fire. Go and check. All those things. Or the camera, they video all those things. They monitor all those things. They tell the woman she's not. They collect the 3 children. As they collect the 3 children, the woman almost follow people fight. Those who want to collect the children follow the fight. They carry the woman, they tie the woman, handcuff the woman, carry her to the hospital. They inject the woman. As they talk till today, so the woman still they whack up. It not still the normal. As we are still speaking now, you know what still the normal. So you know if you come. I've heard tell them before when I heard they told this thing, I said a joke. I said very soon now, very soon, our women will see the crack on man. They call my picking, they call my picking, and I do anything. They call my picking. How many times should they bath those children? Some single mother not they bath their picking for a week. Tell me how many times they bath their children. How many times you don't sit your picking down, brush his body well, bath and well. How many times they check on my picking body? I tell them these things will not they believe. If they go their kindergarten for school, then they put their uniform, put their clothes. So shall they check their body? Their teacher, they check their body, see if they get any mark, any scratch for their body, especially when you will be the mother. You know they do anything. You don't even sit down for house. So shall they get time for children till they search their body well. They go check their body, check what did they do, check. They go to ask them question for school. And they tell you now, mothers, more now wise, more now try, they do something. Not just sit down for us, fold your hands, say now government they give you money, you know what work. You know what work. Government they give you money, you shop government money, they shop Adudo money, you don't want to do anything. Like all those one who get for UK now. School they don't want to go. Now Facebook they will do pay show. School they don't want to go. Work they don't want to work. Now Facebook now for they do pay show now. Now they be the house work. What did they do? Single mother, you the cry. Well, who want listen to you? Now go listen to you. People like we will know what they do for Joshua. 4 children, 4 good children. You still they come. You see the open mouth say you be single mother. 4 children. How dare? 4 good pikin, no father. You think say German they stupid? For you to have 4 kids without no father, automatically you are not a responsible woman. If German say you get 4 pikin, you don't get papa, you still claim single. You think say you're both stupid? No, sometimes our women about the things say na get sense past all these people. Now say na smart past them. For you to get 4 pikin, you don't get papa. Automatically you are not a responsible mother.
So guys, so now here waiting our brother Omenwa talk to me sense, more sense they waiting talk, you understand? All this is social, they're not just the carry collect picking for person hand. Now something they lead to something. You know, people are just fond of that. If something happen, they're not they tell the truth. They only come outside, they cry. There might be something you are doing. Not be say because say you they maltreat the picking or you they beat the picking and won't cause make social collect your pikin. No, there are other things. There are other maltreatments those people see, say, as in maybe you not to they take. I don't know. There must be something, because if you check, cannot be only you be the single mom when they Germany, or should I say run against you? No, there must be something. So, mother, you have to really be careful. If possible, if you relocate from that area, I think it's better, because they still put high for your body. That thing will make them not collect this your son. They might still put high for the second one. Okay, they feel say you not be braver mama like what our brother talk now. So please, just try meet your lawyer. Let your lawyer explain more to you. Ask your lawyer, what do? You and your children are living happily. You never complain for your children about your children before. Your children, they go school, they are living good, you know. You people are not lacking anything. Let your lawyer explain for you. Say, see what you do. See what social talk say you they do when make them collect your son. But we pray, we are all praying for you that your son definitely we come back to you, okay? But I want people to learn, okay? So it's better. If anything, then when we say your lawyer, after I don't meet with social, tell you, stay come outside, tell people, because there are single mom in Germany, so that they not go make such mistake again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, like I said, this and click on. As you do that, up for you.